Hello, my dear class 10 children. How are you? I hope you all are keeping well and healthy also. Keep yourself safe. Then only what I teach can be learned by you. You can learn only when you are healthy. So keep yourself safe when you go outside, wear the mask, and when you come back from the market, you need to wash your hand properly. Either you use sanitizer or use any soap which you have in your house. Let us do some more questions of the exercise 9B, which is based on series progression. So we are doing the summing up of an AP. Means we are learning how to add the terms of an AP using the formula. We have done many questions in the video classes and the live class. So today I am going to do question number 18, 19, 20. I go to 18. We have a nursery where 37 plants have been arranged in the first row. 37. Then 35 in the second. 33 in the third. And when we are going to the other row, in the last row, we can see there are 5 plants only. Last row. In the last row, we have only 5 plants. So we have A. We can find out D. We can have last term as 5. So what we want to find? The total number of plants in the nursery. So let us first find the number of rows, which will be called as number of terms of this series. So A 37, B 35 minus 37 minus 2, Tn 5 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So 5 is equal to 37 plus n minus 1 into minus 2. So minus 32 upon minus 2 is equal to n minus 1. N is equal to 17. Therefore, Sn is equal to n by 2, 17 by 2, A plus L, 17 by 2, A is 37 and L is 5. 37 plus 5, 42. So 17 into 21. 17 1 is 17, 17 2 is 34, 35. 357 plants, 357 plants in that nursery there were. So question number 19. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. The number of logs means you can consider as a piece of wooden block. So 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. 20 logs in the bottom, 20 logs in the bottom, then 19 in the next, then 18 in the next, and so on. And so on. So when we add all these blocks, the sum is 200. The sum is 200. The question is, how many logs are there in the top row? 2 parts the question has, I forgot. In how many rows are the 200 logs placed, and how many blocks are there on the top row? No. We have to count these number of rows, and after counting we have to find in the last row how many blocks are there. Means you can say if this is last term, we have to find A also, A and N. We have to find N and A. Let us write this series. 20, 19, 18, dash dash dash. So A 20, B 19 minus 20 minus 1, and Sn we have 200. Let us do 200 is equal to n by 2. A plus n minus 1 into D. 2a plus n minus 1 into 2. D. 2 into 20 plus n minus 1 into D. D is minus 1. Let us solve. So 400 is equal to n into 40 minus n plus 1 minus n plus 1. So 400 is equal to 41 minus n, here n. So bring this side, n square minus 41n plus 400 is equal to 0. n square, I repeat, n square minus 41n plus 400 is equal to 0. 25 and 16. So n minus 25, n minus 16 is equal to 0. I am not going to show how has it come. In quadratic equation, we have learnt a lot how to factorize this and get the roots of the quadratic equation. So the values of n are 25 and 16. My dear students, as you saw the diagram, in the last row there were 20 blocks, and when we go up, the number of blocks is decreasing. Now 20, 19, 18. So that number of rows in that arrangement cannot be 25, because in the last row there were how many? 20 blocks. So 20, 19, 18, that can go up to 1 or 2 blocks at the top. It cannot be 25. So this we have to reject. So number of rows will be 16. First part answer. Come to the second part. We have to find A also. So Tn. We have now n is equal to 16. So Tn will be A. Here the last term Tn will be A, because we are going this way now. So last term we can say that Tn. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A is 20, n is 16, and D is minus 1. So 20 minus 16 is equal to 4. So there were 4 blocks. Question number 20 now. Last question. A plus n minus 1 into D. So 20 plus 16 into minus 1. It becomes 20 minus 16. 4. Answer is wrong, I think. Next one. Question number 20. Question is, a sum of 1890 Sn is to be used to give 7 cash prizes. And 7. Each prize is 50 less than the preceding prize. So if the first is A, so A minus 50, A minus 100, dash. Find the value of each prize. You can see the series. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Put the value 1890 is equal to n by 2, 7 by 2, 2a plus 6 into d. D is minus 50. D is minus 50. So 7 2 ja 14, 4 7 7 ja 49, 540 is equal to 2 multiplied by 270. 540 is equal to 2a minus 300. So 840 is equal to 2a. A is equal to 420. So first prize has its cost 420. So first prize 420 rupees. Second 420 minus 50, 370. Third 370 minus 50, 320. Fourth 320 minus 50, 270. Fifth 270 minus 50, 220. Sixth 220 minus 50, 170. Seventh 170 minus 50, 120. So these are the cost of the prizes. 120 is the last one. My dear students, thank you very much for today's class. In the next class, we will be discussing about the new series that is called geometric progression. Thank you.